Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Scooter back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick. For whatever reason, you may want to get a fresh start from it, as if it was fresh out of the box. You may want to completely reset everything. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the settings on how to get there. I'm not going to actually factory reset mine because I don't want to, so I'm just going to show you guys how to factory reset it. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you are at the home screen. Once you get to the home screen, you want to scroll all the way over to the right where it says settings. And then once you get to the settings, you want to go to device. When you are at the device, scroll down to the bottom and it'll say reset to factory defaults. So this will make it as if it was a fresh, brand new Amazon Fire Stick, fresh out of the box. So once you can click it and it'll ask you to reset to factory defaults, and it'll ask you if you want to do it again. So what it'll do is it'll delete everything that you have on the Amazon Fire Stick as far as apps, your personal data, and all that stuff will be wiped clean from the Amazon Fire Stick. So you can click yes or click reset to do that, or in my case, I don't want to delete everything on there. I'm just showing you guys how to get to it so you can reset it. But that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next one.